Hi everyone, Jamie here. So, this is package number 2. Let's unbox. Okay. This is the Apple TV remote. I just wanted the box. Sorry. So, let's open this. Put a little tab here. Box is empty. Some boring paperwork. Good to know. It comes with a lightning cable. Can't complain, always need some reserve. And then the star. Oh, how do I get this thing out? Just pull. Okay, it's nothing. Pretty good. This was my unboxing of the Apple TV remote with a white Apple lightning cable. I didn't expect this one, but I hope you liked it. As always, see you next time.